Protest shooting suspect Kyle Rittenhouse back in a Kenosha court today as attorneys argue over potential evidence in his trial. Good evening. I'm Jessa Brycebeck.
And I'm Natalie Shepard. Rittenhouse goes on trial in November for the deadly shootings of two people at last year's Jacob Blake protests.
Today, his attorneys score a legal victory. CBS 58's Victor Jacobo was in the courtroom and has details live from Kenosha for us. Victor.
Prosecutors want to use events that happened before and after the shooting in Kenosha to show jurors the motives and thoughts of Kyle Rittenhouse, but a judge today was skeptical of their argument.
The key issue in this case is the defendant's state of mind.
Kyle Rittenhouse sat in silence as his defense and the prosecution argued over admitting new pieces of evidence. That includes evidence of Rittenhouse posing for pictures with members of the Proud Boys organization and a meeting he had with national leaders of the group.
The defendant's actions of coming into our community illegally after curfew with a gun at the time of a protest is entirely consistent with what the Proud Boys make it their job to do.
I believe the evidence is not relevant, should not be admitted.
The judge denied that motion.
Bro, I wish I had my car. I'd start shooting rounds at them.
Prosecutors also want to include this video where Rittenhouse can be heard saying he wishes he could shoot people he suspects of looting. The video took place 15 days before the Kenosha shooting.
This goes exactly to his state of mind in terms of his understanding of use of force, his understanding of self-defense.
He doesn't do anything. He doesn't open his window. He doesn't honk the horn. He does nothing.
Judge Bruce Schroeder believes the incidents are not similar and is skeptical of allowing the video.
I'm going to withhold a final decision with a bias towards refusing the receipt of the evidence.
The judge also denied a defense motion to include the criminal history of one of the men Kyle Rittenhouse shot and killed as evidence. The trial is set to begin in November. Reporting live outside the Kenosha County Courthouse, Victor Jacobo, CBS 58 News.